Better, I feel.
We're gonna get the diff in. Yeah. Good thing. Okay, 1, 2, boys.
No, I'll take you to a movie tomorrow, but we're gonna watch Hereditary.
Nah, I don't want to watch Hereditary.
Why?
I wanted to watch Jurassic World.
I don't like those dinosaur movies.
And I go with Kendall. You heard me?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it's on video.
Why do you think you had that dream?
I don't know, it's just funny. Alright. Hold on, let me get some things situated first. These bolts. This one.
Good girl.
So we got our T14
E-brake
for the back of the
car.
diff. Huh?
I'm gonna take the e-brake off and push the car.
No, don't do that.
And say sorry.
Sorry, and then we got 21 for this one right here, this bad boy. So, get to work. Try to get it in as easy as we can. Not sure what's easier, get this one in or that one in first, but we'll try to get it in. Hopefully these axles don't get in the way. Push them in a little bit right now. Alright, ready? Come in.
Tell me when to stop.
Where to put the other bolt?
There's right behind you, the right.
Oh. Go up, go up.
It's gonna hit that thing, no?
Come on, right? Up. Do like, oh shit. Okay, stop.
You need help.
It's gonna hit something?
The left side, that little bar.
Oh, no, you're fine. Go up. Okay, stop right there. Stop right there.
Baby, let me help you.
How?
Yeah, you can't do that.
How are you gonna put this up? How are we gonna put this up? How are we gonna put this up?
Why don't you wait for somebody to come and help you?
Who's gonna come help me?
Where's Eric?
I don't know.
Baby, I don't want you to get hurt.
If it falls, it falls over here, not my face.
No, but you're gonna hurt your arms, your shoulders, your back. Eric,
Hold on.
I'm gonna take it away from you.
Hold on, let me think. Okay, take it back. Go out a little bit. Push. Come down. Slowly, okay? There you go. There you go. You're fine there. Keep going. Keep going.
More down?
Yeah, that's fine. Stop. Slow down.
How do you make it slow?
Just turn. No, don't turn so much.
More?
A little more. Turn a little more. Just where you see when you know. That's fine. No, like that's fine speed. Go down. Pick it up. How the hell do it when it goes up? I gotta push this one up. But I can't get it up. It's so high.
You need to wait for somebody to help.
We can get it on here and then we can lift that and slide it. It barely fits through here, huh?
Yeah. How did you take it out? You let it fall?
No, well, I kind of held it and kind of just slid down the arm. But maybe I go that way and I come back and I can lift it up that way. It's not heavy.
Yes, it is.
It's only like 60 pounds.
It doesn't matter. It's heavy for you to be underneath that car like that. No wonder your mom doesn't want you to do this. I don't want you to do it either. I'm scared.
Crybabies. Can you put it more like straight? You see how it's crooked? Just look out from the front because there's grease. No, like move the transmission. Move it just sideways.
I'm not
Our
taking
transmission differential. Just move it sideways. Let's see it from here. No, the thing. Grab the thing.
What thing?
The thing on top.
This?
Yeah.
I'm not moving that.
Not heavy. Just see how to move it like this.
I'm not gonna hurt my back.
It's not heavy. You're just gonna slide it. Grab it from the rag.
You need help.
No.
Ask Chucky to come over.
Call Chucky. We're gonna call the real mechanic to come help me. You know, I texted Chucky a picture of the diff. We were talking about the things. Can I take them out?